Hi, I'm Mike Greiner. I'm a bankruptcy attorney with the Financial Law Group here in Warren, and I'm here to talk to you today about your IRAs and 401Ks as you go through bankruptcy. One of the biggest concerns some of my clients have is the fact that they might have accumulated some retirement funds in an IRA or 401K. And they're concerned about losing those funds, and rightfully so. That is most people's retirement these days. And so protecting that is a very, very important part of the process. The good news is that IRAs and 401Ks, generally speaking, are totally protected as you go through the bankruptcy process. So even if you have $1 million sitting in a 401K account, those funds are totally protected. They're there for your retirement, and your creditors cannot touch them. The sad thing that I sometimes see is where people have taken a bunch of money out of a 401K account to pay back their creditors. Because what happens then is you've essentially given your creditors access to funds that otherwise they would have no access to otherwise. I strongly urge people to think of 401K accounts as savings for retirement. It is not a savings account. It is not something that you can dip into when an emergency comes up, or when you need to pay a certain bill, or when you need to take care of one issue. What it is it's a savings for retirement. I will say that there's one exception to my rule there, and it is where people sometimes have been able to take money out of a 401K and actually buy a house. There are some opportunities for buying houses that are very inexpensively in this current economy. And I've had some clients who've been able to take money out of a 401K, buy a house, and own it free and clear, or darn near free and clear. And that's been a really good option for a lot of people. Point being though, don't take money out of your 401K to pay credit card debt. That's a complete waste. And don't worry about, as you're going through a bankruptcy case, losing your 401K. If you want to find out more about bankruptcy, or your 401K for that matter, please feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 586-693-2000. We offer free consultations, and I'd be happy to meet with you personally.